Jayant,
Yeah.
I had some basic like some doubts.
Yeah. Let me complete 2, 3 people mock and then we'll go for that. Okay.
No, not doubts about not regarding the topics, but
Uh,
general doubts regarding the ETL.
yeah. Go ahead. Then we'll finish the doubt and then we'll go
Yeah,
for it.
see, in my situation, na, like, see, I have completed my degree almost 1 year back,
Uh,
and like my age gap is also too much.
hmm.
So my basic doubt, like, what a doubt I got is like how I can make an experience letter for only 1 year or 1.5 year, and
हा? हा, आता म्हणाला की काय पाहिजे म्हणून चिकन पाहिजे काय चिकन देतो चल की चल जेवणासाठी मी बोललोय
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, Sivraj.
hello.
Yeah, Siva. Go ahead.
Yeah, like for before you told that for at least we need 4 years or 3 years of experience later
Hmm.
to get into the ETL testing field. So my doubt is like for only 1 year or 1.5 year, how I can proceed with that and what are those things?
That's what I'm saying. As a fresher, so you'll be you can try for as a fresher as well as 1.5 year of experience because your 12th pass out is very long back. Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
So keeping in that mind, your case will be the very special case.
Hmm.
Like you have to keep trying, and some of the company, if you'll get entry, just work for 1 year or 1.5 year or 2 years, and you have good contact also. I know, like
Yeah.
if you want, you can be entered in a very quick manner in any of the company.
Hmm.
So we can try like that, and just prepare for 1.5, and wherever you are currently working, keep working there,
Hmm.
because anyway you have good knowledge on everything.
Yeah, somewhat I'm getting good knowledges.
So if you'll keep trying for 1.5 years of experience, and what designation they gave you in a current company?
HR coordinator.
That will not work. Can you change it to QA or software engineer or something like that? If possible,
Mm,
can you talk to them?
Now, like, see, like that, the current company I'm working now, it's a child company.
Uh-huh.
So parent company is from Malaysia,
Uh-huh.
and I am being appointed for the Malaysian company only.
Then it will be difficult.
Yeah.
If you'll talk to HR or someone, if you have good contact, if you'll check with them, like, can you just change sometimes it happen, if your company is small, they will accept your,
But
things.
it's not a small company.
Mm.
Like
Then
you know,
sometimes
like
it happen for the a small or medium company, but big company, if you're like or MNC, then it's hardly difficult. I know, but
mm,
like nothing wrong in trying, correct?
hmm.
So
No,
you can.
like I have got one contact that they told that the Camp Gemini is one of our contract company.
Mhm.
So I have directly met that HR, and he told that once you complete your something course or something, you let me know that I will make some arrangements for you also. He has told.
Mhm.
But only thing is that how I like only have 1.5 year or 2 years ETL experience is not so uh, make quality in the getting jobs.
You may get it, no worries in that. See, there is no wrong in trying. Keep trying. Wherever you'll see the open window, you jump in that.
Sir, may I ask one question?
Wait, Nikhil. Wait. I have not completed with Siva.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Siva. So just try, keep trying. You will get it. Okay.
Okay, so that was the thing. Like that for that reason, and even I was a new joiner, and I was
Mm.
not able to concentrate on the like the ETL topics, all those things.
Mm. But you have done recently only. We have covered for you
Yeah, yeah.
all the
I can like I can explain SQL like okay, I am done right now. Also, I can give mock for SQL, but I
Mm.
need to refresh for 5 to 10 minutes once more. Uh,
Mm.
that is the
Whenever
thing.
you make a mind that you have to go for the interview, you just prepare resume and go for the 1.5, or if you want to wait for 6 months more, say
Hmm.
wait for 6 months more, or like 2 years of experience, you can jump.
Yeah, for that reason only I was like neglecting little bit for this ETL. That's it. Like at
Mm.
least for 2 years we have experience, and we may say that like we are like the present project has got completed, and I was planning for the hike in the salary, and so I left that job.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Fine. So just keep a study and then wait for some 2-3 months, and then after 2 years of, because you have more gap. That's what, like if you will be real fresher, I could suggest that we'll prepare 1 year of this thing, and we'll show as your like percentage and all. Based on that, you will get call, and then you will get it. But I like 12th you have done in 2000, so many year
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
So it will be not considerable, means most of the company they will not call. Or if you want to try, just keep 1.5 year of experience and then keep trying. Okay, if you'll get any call, then it's fine. You'll have also practice for the same. Okay,
Okay.
but make a target that once it will be 2 years over, then you try most.
Hardly. Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah, Nikhil, tell me.
Yes, sir. Actually, I want to convey one thing, sir. Yesterday, one of my friend, he is as a ETL lead in Accenture. They got mail in last night that he will be fired.
Accenture now, the call is the situation is that, like I have read the news, whoever the fake people are there, no, they are removing it. Not 100 or 200, 1,000 of people, whoever they are getting caught, they are removing it.
Sir, he is in Accenture from last 4 years, sir.
Then it's like, Twitter condition,
Yeah, sir.
If CEO job is not safe, then how can you say that employee job is safe? In
Yeah.
IT, it's happened. But it's not like ending the career. There are some 50 lakhs employees are working in all over India. 50 lakhs, they cannot remove it, correct? So he has to search for another job, and then he has to do it. Not even now. I'll tell you the story of 3 years back. Okay. So I was there in a Dell. I was a contractor from parent company was used to Global. So there I saw 3 years who was working, 2 years who was working. They lay off like anything, like 200, 300 people. They removed. There were no recession, nothing was there. Just they remove 200, 300, 500 people 8 months back who joined, and that also 2 years they worked as a contractor, and then they made them permanent with good salary, good hike, everything. Okay, after that working of 8 months, they removed them. When you are appointing someone after seeing the performance of 2 years, then why you are removing in 5, 6 months or 8 months? It's like company policy. Okay, you don't have to worry on that. You have to be positive all the time, and the bad phase will go over. Okay. So keep trying. When your days will come, don't see others, keep yours. Okay. Yeah.
Actually, sir, he to refer me in Accenture. That's why I am in tension. Otherwise, no issue, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. Still he can refer, no worries.
Hello,
Okay.
sorry, sir, Rameshwar here.
Yeah, Rameswar, how are you, man?
I'm good. What about you?
What happened to your cognizant?
I rejected, sir. I'm continue this organization.
Yeah, fine. That is fine. And thank you so much. You helped 3-4 people, correct? They got
Yes,
job.
yes.
Yeah. So I mean, Poonam, she also got offer letter. The Subhasri also she got,
Yes.
and other one
Sindhuja.
Sindhuja also she got. So great
Now
work.
Shiva is remaining.
Shiva is remaining. Shiva is in
Yeah.
fluctuation. Like he is 50-50 here and there is giving. I told
Yes,
like
yes.
whether if you want to go for automation, go for it.
Hmm.
Just maintain one thing, learn one thing very perfectly. You will get in that only. So
Yes.
that
I
is
told
the problem.
him multiple time, but sometimes he's getting confusing in that, in between that.
That's what. Shiva is there in a call? Shiva? No, not this Shiva.
I think he is not.
So thank you so much. I'll assign more people, okay?
No, no worries, sir.
Okay, thank you
Sir,
so much.
actually, I read out the news about Twitter and all.
Mm.
So in this scenario, we just need to update our skills,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. 50
Because
lakhs employees
hmm,
are working in all over India. IT employees.
yes, sir.
How many people they will remove, and if they will remove someone, that vacancy will be there still, so they have to hire someone else. If removing is there, then it's fine for everyone, the openings will be there. If the people will not like jump from another one company to another company, the thing, like you will not get vacancy only.
Yes, absolutely, sir.
So if they are removing, if they are vacating the problem, underperformance people, they are removing it, then it's perfectly fine.
Yes,
Okay, for you opportunity is going to grow, so that's always perfectly fine. Twitter, what do you think? If they are removing everyone, they'll be able to sustain. They have to hire immediately. They have to fill the gap. Anyway, these people are taking 1%, 2%, 3% work from the 1%. Okay, so definitely they need people. So be confident and keep yourself updated. If you have prepared ETL testing, if you are confident on that, keep revision and add something else also. Keep referring Python also. Keep referring, if you get time for automation, just see the Google, YouTube and all. So many channels are there. You can refer it, 1 or 2 video, 3 video. You can add in in your resume. You can make a cloud. You can learn from the YouTube. Okay, there are so many 300, 400 videos you will get from this thing. Apart from ETL, you can put one line of Python. I have basic knowledge of Python. I have basic knowledge of cloud. I have basic knowledge of Java. I have basic knowledge of Selenium. There are so many things, but don't lose your hope. Whenever you are getting free time, keep updating. If you will surrender yourself, company will never take you. There is no scope for the failures. Okay, and the demotivated and negative person in IT companies. Okay, so if you are positive, then it's all good.
yes, absolutely.
Okay, guys, so let's move to the mock, and let me make the agenda first. Okay, so doubt, so that like we'll work on this only, and every day will be this will be helpful for the people, like if you did not get a job, if you'll get connected with me like this, and you will have always good like motivations will be there. And I have a plan, like in 15 days I'll start from the SQL, and will complete in complete in some 15 days time will take for full syllabus, and will take mock for everyone. And first SQL, then data warehouse, then Informatica, then agile methodology, all these things, so that 15 days only you will be able to complete the things. If you have not practiced, or 10 days if you are ready, if you are making yourself, if you are prepared earlier, then in 10 days only, 1 week time only, you brush up and then ask your doubt here. Ask your doubt. We are ready to clear your doubt, not only for the job, the course content, whatever the doubt you will have, you can refer that. Mock and all I can take on the mobile also. That is not the problem. Okay, but the doubt clearance, as well as your satisfaction, your like your resume preparation, how you are preparing your Naukri profile updation, how you are doing it. For that only I am keeping this session for 45 minutes. 8:15 to 9 it will be there in like Monday to Thursday. I have a plan like that. If any changes will be there, we'll let you know. Doubt session. Then second one will be your doubt session for the course, as well as general job related. Yeah, tell me. Go ahead.
Sir, you said who has got like experience, who has gone, who has joined as an experienced person. So they remote. So how we need to tackle this?
There is no tackle. They will take random. See, whatever I'm saying, no, Dell company incident. So 2 years they proved themselves. Okay, and they got converted. Not only one case I'm saying. I saw 10 cases of this. Okay, many more will be there. The Dell is very big in Bangalore. They have 12, 13 offices in Bangalore. Okay, so they worked for 2 years. The employee worked for 2 years, and they proved themselves, and they got converted permanently. They got converted in the same organization. and after 6 months or 7 months or 8 months, they release them. They release them. It's not like work was not there. They just they fired them. There was no excuse. There were no things. Just mail came and they told like today is your last working day. Submit your laptop and all this thing. So they also got surprised. Or this week, this Friday is your last working day. It happens in IT companies. You cannot predict that thing. Okay, service-based company is best. Product-based, these are the scenarios will be there. For service-based, if you will get released from one project, you are on bench for 15 days, 20 days also. That is not a problem. They'll assign you for the another project. Okay, so don't lose your hope. Just get your job first. We'll see that later. Once you'll work for 1 year or 2 years, no, you don't have to hold my fingers. You will be able to work alone in this IT field.
Okay. Sir, I have prepared Informatica is last portion is remaining, sir. Everything
What?
is done.
For batch?
Informatica is last portion of Informatica is remaining.
Yeah, that is fine. You can complete. If you want to give mock for SQL, you can give tomorrow. Tomorrow is what date? Wednesday. You can give tomorrow. If you want to give SQL, just brush up again from today to till tomorrow evening, and then give a mock for this thing. So before the call, you tell me or message me. Okay. So that like and be everyone, whoever, like we have very good attendance today. 57 people till now have joined, including me. So just keep connected. If you want job faster, keep connected. Share your thoughts, share your preparation idea. I'll be checking with everyone. Okay, and just prepare and be updated in before the call or in the call. Sir, I'm ready with the SQL. I'm ready with the data warehouse concept. I'll ask everyone. Okay, not same day, maybe tomorrow. One day if we'll not cover everyone, we'll try to cover like next day. Okay, so that is the my situation. So these are the supports you will not get anywhere. Only I have started this one. So you this is this session is not like paid session. This is for the whoever my student, for them only. And don't, one request is there, don't share this invitation to the anyone else. Okay, if I'll found that anyone is sharing with the other people who is searching for ETL testing and all, immediately I'll remove you from the group, and there is no excuse for that. Okay, only for my student, because see 57 and 58 people is my student now. If you will add many more people, they will also join, and your things will be affected. So just keep in mind, resume preparation, mock interviews. Okay, and one more thing, guys. So I wanted to Rameswar, you are there?
Yes, sir, I am here.
So Rameswar, can you please? There are so many new people are also there, and there are so many old students also there. So can you just motivate them? Like how did you manage to get the three offer letter and all these things?
Yeah, basically guys, in that whenever sir taking classes, so be present with the available your before time, and after finishing class immediately we need to practice more on SQL parts. When I was attending classes, so at that time I was preparing. I remember I get the access before finishing the class, and I just finished it within 20 days. All recording sessions, and from that I was preparing 6 to 7 hours daily in after joining the classes. So I just prepare in 1 month, and then when I getting any doubts, at that time I was doing Google and YouTube. From that, if I not clear all that things, so at that time I'm just pinging sir, can you help me here? So if there is difficulty at that time, sir help me about resolving that. And once it's done, so I give the I give the mocks 3 4 times to the Jai sir, and after in mock Jai sir me corrected in that, and after that I just updating my Naukri profile twice in a day, and after that replying to all HR's mail very smoothly and calmly, and in a specific format. So at that time I got 3 offer in a single month, and currently I'm working on as a BI test, which was completely new for me, but now I grab that all things.
Yeah,
So
guys.
yeah, mm,
Yeah, so hope this will help you and prepare yourself. Many of the people you have already listened, Rameswar. We don't have Sindhuja or other people, and what is that, Subhasari and other people. Otherwise, I could tell them, like I'll ask them each and every session up like this, so that you will get motivated. Anything else you want to add, like one sentence or two sentence, like how they can get full knowledge, and then how like they can make it fast.
first of all, just prepare search whole note from whole notes, whole classes from starting to end, and once you prepared or you I mean you complete all courses, then you need to move other things, because in YouTube and Google there is lots of things which was not applicable as a ETL tester, because it's as an angle of developing and something like that. So if you clear all things as a ETL tester, we need to focus only these things. So first of all, just focus on our well prepared that all things, and if you complete this, then you can move other things if you have a good time, and there is no interview scheduling right now. So at that time, for updating yourself and upskills, so you can move. But first of all, you need to complete SQL in detail. Otherwise we will get confusing because in that, because there lots of things are different there, and as per the as a ETL tester interviews, there will be a scenario different. So sir covered all things, no worries about that. I really feel that while attending the interview.
And that also not one interview. He attended for three, and three places also you felt the same thing, correct?
Yes sir, yes.
Uh, all scenario questions are to be solved, or I solved some 100 questions.
Sorry, this question me for
I,
or Jay sir?
May I ask one
I for you only.
hello, Zen sir?
Ah,
May I ask one question?
just let him complete, no, before you someone asks.
Sir, can you help me this question? I didn't
Yeah,
get it
he's telling
actually
that
outside.
230 scenario-based questions are there, no?
Only 30 to 45 scenarios questions are there for it
Mm.
cracking the interview.
Yeah, so
And
just you can go
else,
through 2 times of those things. No need to practice each and everything. You just
yes.
can, like you can just see that 2 3 times. That's all. That will give you idea how, if in interview if they will ask you scenario-based question, know how to tackle that, and you have to think in mind, reading the scenario-based question, and then think answer in your mind. Okay, then if
So,
you'll be go like 50 60% correct also, that is fine. You can, after that you can check the answer. Yeah.
sir, from your notes only, I directly solved 100 questions from initial 1 to 100 without seeing answer also. So
Yeah,
those
that's,
are, yeah.
see, who
Uh,
is really working hard, they are getting it. There is no doubt in that.
Actually, what happen if we prepare 35 or for 40 50 something scenario based question which we know, but while attending interview at that time we don't tackle at that time,
Yeah,
we
yeah, that's
forget
what,
at that
yeah,
time,
yeah, yeah, that is a
because
point. Yeah.
yeah, that is the main point. And interviewer means at that time we prepare 50 questions for example, but their asking style is different.
Yeah, yeah, I actually, one of my brothers working as an ETL developer. So he took me interview in different way.
But that interview, the interviewers not going outside our syllabus and all, but we need to tackle that question smoothly and just because what happened in initially we didn't get that questions, what type of question they ask us.
He asked me there are 10 teams, so find the second team of each group. So the second highest salary I know, but in each group he asked me to find second highest salary. So I applied group by function to
Yeah.
that's what, yeah.
This all type
So,
of question multiple times are took a while we
yeah, yeah,
preparing the attending the classes, but in
yeah.
interview at that time due to pressure and all things we forget sometimes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yes,
okay. My
that's what.
question is done.
Yeah,
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Nikhil, go ahead fast. We'll start with the mock, Nikhil?
Jayant,
Ah,
I want to add something in this.
yeah, tell me.
Like, see, even like after me being appointed as a HR team member, so like almost I've seen 19 people have been hired in ETL in our company.
Uh-huh.
So like even I'm almost seen 7 to 8 interviews because I was in like I was studying ETL, right? So the whoever have the interview, the only thing they require is the knowledge, not the statement how you write or what you execute.
Yes,
They
yes.
want to know how and like what the answer you have for that question. That's not
Practical knowledge. If you are going for 4 years, 5 years, you should have whatever the session what I tell. No? Same thing should be reflected. You should be confident on the course, and the Informatica session is very important for that. You have to show that, yeah, sometimes what happen, like they will ask you generic questions. So you have to, whatever the things I'll tell the important point, you have to note it down. And same thing you have to tell in interview. Okay.
yes, that's what I was like. When I saw that, so I told.
But the thing is that whatever the document I have provided, I got multiple options. Even though when I attend interview, same questions, same from the same syllabus they will ask. So you have to focus on those things only mainly. Okay, nothing else. You make sure that 100% syllabus will be prepared, and then start your giving interview. And meanwhile, if you'll have in mood or something, you can go for the other things, like just basic to add one line in a resume. Okay, that's all. Yeah, Balakrishna, you want to talk?
No, sorry.
Okay, fine. So Nikhil don't want to say anything.
Yes, sir. I want to ask.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, can you take mock interview today or tomorrow?
We'll see that. First, let me take the mock for the bank test, and then we'll take
Sir,
Sarat.
I want to ask one more question. Just like Kalyani, right in chat, Capgemini also hire 71 tester as a third party, and they release in 3 months with 7 day notice. Sir, it is better to join a startup as a direct payroll company as compared to join Capgemini as a third party.
How many offer letter you have?
I have no offer letter, sir.
Then get offer letter, then decide. Correct, no?
Yes.
You need job, correct? So you get offer letter, get into the company. When you will have 10 offer letter, that time you will be you will think that whether you have to go a startup or you want to go for the product, if you want to go for the service based. But if you have zero, then any offer letter come, I'm ready to go. So that mentality should be there, not like Capgemini what they are doing, as well as other company what they are doing. So that is the negativity. Don't keep in yourself. Just get the offer letter, whether it's a startup, product based or service based. You start like you get the offer letter and start working in that. Later on, when you will be in you will have multiple offer. That time, these are the things will be useful. Okay, so I should go in this, I should go in that, like that. Not like without offer letter, you cannot think only.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, guys. So bank test, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start with SQL. And can you please tell me what is left out to join?
Left outer join is a type of join in which it will return all the records from
One thing,
left
guys,
table.
everyone, okay, when you give mock, how
Yeah.
I am speaking, calm, okay, like average speed, not so fast, not so slow. Okay, fine, go ahead, tell me.
Yeah, left outer join is a type of join in which it will return all the records from left table, and first it returns the all the records from left table, and then from right table, and remove the duplicate. Wherever duplicate values are there, it will return.
Remove the duplicate in the sense?
It will wherever non-matched records are there, it will return as null.
Non-matching record. Can you explain once again?
First, it will return the left table. Whatever the left table is there, it will return, and then from right table.
Data?
Null for other non-matched record.
Null for all match the record. Okay.
Unmatched.
Unmatched, non-matching record. So
yeah.
The definition you have to tell that left outer join is a type of join where like we will have two tables. If we'll join table 1 left outer join with table 2, so we can say that table 1 will be left table and table 2 will be the right table.
Right.
So if I'll do left outer join, so all the data will come from the left table and matching record from the table 2, okay, and non-matching record from both the tables, it will be populated as null in a table 2. All records from table 1, matching record in table 2, as well as non-matching record between table 1 and table 2 will be populated as null. Okay, so like that you have to tell. Keep in mind, and whenever you are saying definition or anything, you have to give syntax also. Okay. Keep in mind syntax. Don't forget to give the syntax.
Yeah. Syntax is as follows. So select columns from table 1 left outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column is equal to table 2 dot column.
Okay, so Sarath, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Sarath, be ready. Whatever the question answers, he'll tell, no? So you have to tell whether it's correct or wrong. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So next one, Venkatesh, can you answer rank and dense function with examples and syntax?
Yeah, sure. Rank and dense rank both are analytical functions. So both are used to rank the values in an order set. So rank it will return in skipping format, whereas dense rank it will return in consecutive format. Syntax is as follows. Rank open and close the bracket over open the bracket query partition by class order by class close the bracket with semicolon. Dense rank dense underscore rank open and close the bracket over query open the bracket query partition class order by class close the bracket with semicolon. For example, 100, 200, 200, 300, then 400 is the rank. It will return 1, 2, 2, then 4, 5. Whereas dense rank it will return 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay. So Sarath, is it correct?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Nikhil, is it correct? Nikhil? Okay. So now row num and row ID. Can you tell Venkatesh?
Yes. Row ID and row number. Row ID is nothing but physical memory allocation, which returns for that row, and row number is nothing. Row number is nothing but sequence number, which is allocated to retrieve the retrieve the data bunch. So row ID is permanent to that row, which identifies the address of that row. So it's a row number is temporarily allocated sequence to that row, and it's a 16-digit hexadecimal number which returns uniquely identifies that row.
Okay.
Yeah.
Able to speak.
It's a numeric sequence number. It is allocated to row temporarily. So it's automatically generated unique ID of a row, and it is generated at the time of insertion of the row. So it's a dynamic value which is automatically retrieved along with the select statement. And row ID is the fastest way to access the data. Row number is not related to accessing the data.
Okay. Sarat, can you answer? Same question.
Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, row ID, it is nothing but a physical memory location on which data row is stored. And basically, it returns that address of the row in a column. And a row number, it is a magical column. I mean, it assigns the sequence number to the rows, which are retraced in the table. And also row number, it restricts the it limits the values.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else?
Other
Syntax.
than that,
syntax examples, anything?
Syntax means select row number from employees. It just executes the number of rows that employees table contains. And for row ID, select row ID from employees means it executes the address of every rows.
Okay. Address of every row. Okay. And Venkatesh, can you tell referential integrity?
Yeah, referential integrity is also known as a foreign key constraint. So foreign key is a key whose values are derived from primary key of another table. If you want to delete the record from parent table, then it's not possible. If you want to delete the record from child table, then it's possible. If you want to delete the record from parent table, then you can use undelete cascade.
Sarat, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain? Same thing.
Yeah, actually, referential integrity, it is a constant, and it is also known as foreign key constraint, and it, it is a key where the values are derived from the primary key of the another table, and other than that, that referential integrity will be there in a child table, where it depends on the parent table.
Okay.
Yes.
Syntax.
Yeah, we have to create a parent table and a child table. In that child table, we have to create table. Create table, open parenthesis, column 1 data type, like that. Column 2 references the column of the parent table.
Okay. Is it correct, Nikhil? Nikhil, is it correct? Nikhil, if you are sleeping, no, better you can, this is second time I am asking you.
Is not in the groups.
Okay.
I think so. Nikhil is exit the Zoom.
Nikhil is not there. Okay, fine. So Susma.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell whatever the answers Sarat told? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain once again from your side?
Yeah, referential integrity constraint is also known as foreign key constraint. A foreign key is a key whose values are derived from primary key of
Susma. Susma, whenever you explain the answer, no, make a habit of go little bit slow. Okay, so like like the benefit of going slow. What are the benefit you'll get while you'll be explaining the things in slow. One thing, your rhythm will be proper. You will not get nervous. Okay. Another thing is that your answers will come perfectly. Okay, if you'll go in a slow. So if you'll go fast, like how the trains and all, it will go faster and it will skip the one station, another station, like that it will happen. Some of the point you will miss if you speak faster. Okay, so it's a good go ahead with the slower, and then impression will be good if you will be explaining in a proper speed, in a average speed. Like interview will think that he is very calm and very polite person. Okay, so those are the benefit when you explain the things in average. This is second time I think I told you this thing. Okay, so keep in mind, make a habit. It's not like suddenly it will come. You have to make habit in the same way. Okay. Yeah, Susma. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, referential integrity constraint is also known as foreign key constraint. A foreign key constraint whose values are derived from a primary key of another table. The table which values are derived is known as master or a reference table, and the table values are inserted accordingly, known as child table. The referential key will be there in a child table. When there is dependency will be there in the child. We can table, but we cannot delete source from parent table. But we can delete using on delete character.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So, Sarath, can you explain the difference between truncate and delete and drop, all three?
Yeah, sir. Well, firstly, truncate. Truncate means it is a DDL comment which delete all the records in the table, whereas delete command, it is a DML command which deletes the record, but it uses the where condition, whereas in drop and truncate we don't use where condition. And truncate, it delete the full records, whereas delete command deletes the records row by row, whereas drop command is used to delete full records. And yeah, the process is faster in truncate because it deletes the records at a time, whereas in delete command deletes the row by row, so it is a slow process. And drop, it is also a fast process since it removes the full data in the table.
The drop command, I mean syntax, what you will tell for all?
Drop table name, and for syntax for delete from table name where condition column 1 is equal to some values. For truncate table name.
Okay. Susma, is it correct? Can you explain once more?
Yes, truncate is an DDL command, and delete is a DDL. We cannot roll back in a truncate because it's a DDL command, it's auto committed, but in the DML command we can roll back after a delete command. Delete all the data at once in truncate, row by row in a delete. But data deletion is faster in truncate, and data deletion is slow in a delete command. Syntax is truncate table name, and for delete from table name. If we want to delete certain certain columns in a table, so we can use where condition delete command.
Okay. Fine. Yeah, Ravi, is it correct?
I forgot to tell one thing, that delete, we can roll back and commit the records in the delete command using delete command. but it's not possible in truncate and drop command.
Yes. Okay. Fine. So, Ravi, you want to explain?
Yes, sir. Truncate is a DDL command and delete is a DML command. And whereas a truncate retains the format but and deletes whole table at a time, whereas delete deletes row by row, and it uses delete command uses where condition, and truncate command deletion is the fast, and truncate syntax is truncate table name, that is that ends there, and whereas delete from table name, yes, table name, and where condition should be there to delete, to make the deletion from the table.
Yes. Okay. So, Ravi and Nikhil, I'll take mock for you tomorrow. Okay. Susma, let me know, you want to prepare resume, correct? Venkatesh and
Hello,
Sarath,
yeah, sir.
your interview is done for SQL. Okay, and you people are ready to move for the further topics. Prepare fast and give me mock for the remaining topic in a week only. Okay.
Okay, then. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Susma, yeah, tell me please.
Yeah, sir. About resume preparing.
Okay. So did
Can I
you go
start
through
preparing?
the project videos?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So Rameswar.
Yes, sir.
So I'll shall I assign Susma under you, because I feel like she's prepared good and she's very hardworking. So can you help her?
No problem, sir. Just remove which my group one, and I send. Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. I'll add her to the group. Okay. And please help. Which year pass out, Susma?
2020, sir.
2020. So 2 years we can put 2020. Which month? Which month it was? June, July.
August. We wrote exam on August, sir.
And when result came?
September.
Okay, so September only. So 2 years experience only will go. So Rameswar 2 plus. Okay, 2.1 something.
Yes, no problem, sir.
I'll add her to your things, and I'll remove like who got offer later under you. Okay, just
Yes.
2-3 people only I'll assign. Don't worry, I'll not assign more. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you are getting
Actually,
this
sir,
time?
what happening from Monday to Friday, I'm so completely busy. Only 2 days is there
Okay.
because nowadays I'm going to office.
They will not disturb you much. Just
Mm.
Saturday, Sunday only they will get connected. Or if in evening or 7 or 8 o'clock, they will drop message. If time will be there, then you connect. Otherwise, Monday to Thursday, Friday, I'll take care.
No
Saturday,
problem.
Sunday, you give time for just half an hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, that is fine. So see, why I'm saying that, you are a good student. Okay, so if you will be taking care of this thing, so because in 6 months you are also planning to switch, so it
Yes,
will
sir, definitely.
be good for you as well. Okay,
Yes,
and
yes.
these people also get motivated because you already have 3 offer letter. I'll ask Sindhuja also to handle 1 or 2 people. Sindhuja, are you there in a group? Sindhuja?
Yeah, Jayant.
Will you able to help, like if I'll assign 2-3 person?
Yeah, Jayant. Sure.
Okay. I'll make a group in WhatsApp under your name, and I'll add 2-3 people. Okay. And I'll try to keep all girls under you, so that it will be good for you as well as others to communicate.
Yeah, Jayant. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Sindhuja.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Jayant, one more request. Like,
Yeah.
please conduct these all calls meetings in evening only.
Evening only. Now, today onwards, it will be evening only, no morning.
Yeah, please, because morning it's really hard for.
Morning for me also, it's so difficult to conduct because it's like, morning we'll have call at 9:15. I'll have a stand-up call, so I have to get it like prepared for those and all these things. So it will be very hectic for me. Okay, so just one more thing, guys. So can you guys tell me who is ready for the tomorrow mock? Who want to give tomorrow mock?
Jayant, I will give tomorrow.
Your name?
Balakrishna. Yes.
Okay, just a second. Okay.
Jay, I am also ready to do tomorrow.
Sharat Chandra, I took no today. Your for done. Okay. Now you prepare other document, other syllabus, and then keep referring this. Okay. I may ask you to take interview from others. Like in the same call, I'll tell you that tomorrow or day after tomorrow, take interview for who is the new person. So if okay. So like that, just keep preparing so that you should catch the error, whatever the like this will be there. Okay, who else? Abhijit, Anil,
Yeah, Jay, I am also ready to tomorrow give Jay.
Ramakrishna. Just a second.
Yeah.
For what, Ramakrishna?
SQL and data warehouse, Jay.
SQL and data warehouse. Balakrishna, you?
SQL only, Jayant.
Okay, fine. Who else? Abhijit?
Me, Sharan.
Sir, I keep the interview on Friday.
Okay, fine. Saranu, na?
Yes.
What you will give full syllabus?
SQL data warehouse, manual testing, ALM. Manual ALM. Even I know project, I know project also.
Okay,
but
when you'll give full, that time you
Informatica.
will explain.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me next. Next, who is there? Susma?
Yes, sir.
I'll add you under Sindhuja. Take help from her. She's so good. Okay, she will help you in all the aspect, and she cleared she got 2 offer letter. One was like she went till client round, just missed. Another one she got 1 more offer letter, and maybe she will be getting another also. Just she'll help you in this thing. She prepared like how you prepared in 15 days. No, she prepared also same way, and she's really amazing. Okay, just take help from her.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, fine. So next one. Anyone else? Sindhuja?
Yeah, Jayant.
So can I take one like full mock for you, or like can you just give a project explanation as well as your roles and responsibility, because the way you explain it's very nice. Okay,
Yeah,
so that other people will get will note it down same thing, and then they will be motivated. Okay.
Sure, Jayant. But once I need to prepare, I need to refresh everything, then I'll be giving.
When how many days you need for that?
I can give after 2 days, like on Wednesday, I can give.
So today is Tuesday. Wednesday is tomorrow.
Thursday.
Okay, fine. So Thursday I'll be noting down for you so that other people they'll understand what to tell, because the way she like explain is like really nice for the like it's very impressive for the interviewer. So okay, fine. I'll keep guys for the tomorrow mock. Let's disconnect and we'll connect tomorrow 8:15. Okay, and till 9 only 9:95 will go for that. Now we have the doubt clearance, so that's why it went long. But tomorrow onwards it will go 9:95. Will not go too long. Okay. Bye guys. Take care.
Bye, Jayant. Good night.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Thank you.
Bye.